This is the Xiaomi 12 Lite, and today we are going to demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, then launch the Play Store app. At the search bar, type in Caffeine. Once the needed app is found, click on this green install button and wait for the Caffeine application to get downloaded and installed respectively. Now you can just go ahead and launch the application, and all that it's left to do is to set the screen timeout value to infinite, and do not close the Caffeine app, just keep it running in the background. Make it so that at any times you'll launch the recent apps section, you'll see it active, and well, that will effectively mean that your screen will not go to sleep automatically at all. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.